Today we will be analyzing multiple choice questions related to Standard 2 and Benchmark 6. This is the first problem that we will be analyzing. The question asks, what is the assumption regarding wages in a perfectly competitive factor market? In order to fully understand this question, first we need to understand that in this case, the market is what determines the wages. Therefore, firms have no choice other than to accept and choose that wage to pay their workers. This means that option A, firms are wage takers, is the only correct answer in this situation. This is the second problem that we will be analyzing. The question reads, where will a perfectly competitive firm choose the amount of workers that they will hire? In order to fully understand this question, we must understand that the input that a firm chooses to bring in will both come with a cost and will generate them benefits, aka revenue. In order for a firm to choose the amount of workers that they need to hire, they will take into account the revenue, both the revenue and the expenses that each input will bring in. Therefore, they will choose to price where MRC equals MRP. This means that answer B, where MRC equals MRP, is the only correct answer in this situation. This is the third and final problem that we will be analyzing. The problem reads, what determines the wage in a perfectly competitive factor market? In order to understand how to select the wages in perfectly competitive factor markets, first we must realize that wages in this theoretical economic model are determined by the market of the overall labor. This means that we must take into account both supply and demand for labor, meaning that option C, the supply versus the demand for workers, is the only correct answer in this situation.